Hello students, today we are going to discuss one of the important functions of management, that is staffing. Staffing, we know, it is concerned with recruitment, selection, placement, training and promotion, and what development of employees. Staffing means it is the art of acquiring, developing and maintaining satisfactory workforce. Now today our another important topic we are going to discuss, that is recruitment and selection. What is recruitment? Recruitment is nothing but it is the process of identifying the people, the human forces that who are appropriate for the job. That means it is the process of which involves identifying the appropriate candidate and inducing them to apply for right job in an organization. Now, what is selection? Selection means we have to choose the person. So management has to choose. So selection means choosing from the number of those applicants who are most likely to succeed in the job. Now there are two types of recruitment. One is called internal source of recruitment, another is called external source of recruitment. Now when we talk about internal source of recruitment, it refers to the present working force of an organization, and what that internal source of recruitment include that personnel already on the payroll of the organization. Now what are the major internal source? Here it is given, you can see from the slide: transfer, promotion, employees, referral, and another is there, that means re-employment of ex-employees. And sometimes the trade unions, they are also refer some people to get the job. So these are the internal source of recruitment. Now external source of recruitment, it is from outside. That is, the external source of recruitment include selection of personnel from outside the organization. It is not desirable for the organization to rely totally on internal source of recruitment. So they are dependent on outside source of recruitment. So which are the outside source of recruitment? That one is advertisement, next is employment exchange, then schools, college and universities, factory gate, casual application, professional bodies, recommendation of existing employees and the labor contractor. Now that companies, they are giving the ad either in the newspaper or through trade journal, professional journal, radio, television, magazines, internet, from where they can get the appropriate candidate. So then next they can give, the organization can provide information about job vacancies to the employment exchange. So job seekers, they can find out the information that where the job is vacant. Now that educational institutions, sometimes they provide placement services. What they offer opportunities for recruiting recent graduates and other diploma holders. Now junior level executives or managerial trainees may be recruited from professional and technical institutes. Now some private employment agencies are there, they are also providing the people for job. Now in this case, some labor contractors are there. Contractors, they are the best source of getting workers when they are required for short period. Manual workers may be recruited or hired through contractors who maintain close link with the workers. Now employees, sometimes they are recommending some people. So present employees of a concern may recommend friends or relatives for jobs. So these are the different source of external recruitment. Now sometimes they are giving ad on the gate of the factory, and outsiders, they can see the notice on the gate of the factory that job vacancies are there. From there also they can apply. Now these are the external source of recruitment. You can see from the slide that office, outside the office, people are waiting for the job. Now see, next purpose is selection. The purpose of selection is to select the most suitable candidate who meet selection criteria and related concern. Now see, they have to select. Here one funnel picture is there. That means that they will take the proper person, they filter it, and who is the right person, that means who is already been filtered, he will be selected. The aim of selection is to pick up the right person for the right job. Selection plays an important role. So in recruitment and selection process, you can see in the slide, job vacancy is there. First it is job vacancy, then that job analysis, then attracting candidates by giving the advertisement or giving the information in the newspaper, anywhere that attracting the candidates. Then next it is that scanning of the application or screening of the application. So many applicants, they will apply for one post, so screening is required. Next it is that organization have to interview the candidate, so interviewing candidate. Next they will selecting and appointing the candidate, and next it is introduction and training. Training is very much required. Training and orientation programs are there, and afterwards employee evaluation. That means who will be the right candidate, he will be evaluated or he will get the job. Now procedure for selection, you can see from the slide how they are selecting among different candidates. Pictures are there. They will select with that magnifying glass, they are selecting. That means that they are, after lot of examination, they will check, they will find out the correct person. What are the procedure? First it is reception of application. That means applicants, he will go to the reception office, submit the application, then receiving of application, then afterwards what? Scrutiny. That means so many people are applying for one post, so the scrutiny is required. Then preliminary interview. After the preliminary interview, the person, if qualified, then he will be called for to fill the blank application form. Then one test is there, and if the person qualifies the test, then qualifies the test, then only he will come to the interview, that is called personal interview. And after the interview, then all the reference, whatever he has submitted, will be checked, and after checking, he has to go for medical checkup, and if there also he passed, then only he will be selected. Now you can see so many